Well, mga bossing, welcome to Boy Bukas channel. And this time we're going to unbox another Soul of Chogokin. And finally, I've got a chance to unbox it and share it to you guys. So, here we go. God bless the machine, Dancouga Black Wing. So now I have this, but I still don't have the Dancouga. So I guess I need to grab it so they can share together and bolt together. Really cool, man. So let's go, my bossing. Let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, finally, my bossing, we got the God bless the machine, Dancouga Black Wing. And I still don't have the Dancouga. Okay, so anyway, that's okay. So we got these cool toys right now, and we're going to unbox. So we got like 3 tray here going on. So we got 1, 2, and 3. And let's start with the manual. Okay. Okay, there you go. That's the manual. Okay, let's deep dive more on these toys. So we got the main robot here and the display stand here with some extra setup hands here. And on... Okay, so yeah, you only have 2 tray, I guess. And the black wings at the back. Okay. So I guess we start at the bottom. Okay, let's open. Okay, so we got like the wing parts when it's transformed to, I guess, like an eagle something. As you can see, this one is like on the hands part, and if you combine it, it's become the head of the bird, right? So there you go. Okay. See, nice. So these are pure plastic. Okay, and some support parts here. I believe this is for the display, stand. Okay. And here we go, the wing part. Nice, really cool. So they got some diecast part here. So there you go, and it's ratchet. Articulations there, you can hear it. So it's like when you apply something, I guess. Oh, really very, very wide wingspan here. Let's see if we can still expand it. So no more, you cannot expand it. So I think that's it, right? So let's see how wide is that. So I think in its full span, it's around 18.5 inches wide, right? There you go. Nice. Really cool. Really cool extra here. Okay, there you go. Let's continue. Let's take the Blackwing figure. Okay, here we go. Let's take it out. So we still have more display stand part here, right? So mostly this is like the eagle support, base support. Okay. There we go. And we got two set of hands here, so we got two left and right open hands. How about that? And some closed hands here. I think you can hold some weapons here, like a sword or something, right? So as you know, guys, this if you combine it with Dancouga, it's become the final Dancouga. That's why they name it here, as obviously GX13R plus GX13 the Dancouga plus this one GX94. Then you got a total of final Dancouga. So this GX94 is the God Bless the Machine Dancouga Blackwing. So yeah, this one appear in one of the, I believe, movie of Dancouga, which show up in the show, and then they combine, and then they got the final Dancouga. So okay, let's deep dive on this one. Okay, so there you go, my bossings. Let's see how cool is that. Okay, oh, looking good so far. The articulation, it's got some ratchet articulations there. You can raise it up all the way up here. Nice. And you can twist it, still ratchet. Pretty tight articulations, there you go. So double bend here. Yeah, and it's really tight, nice. Cool. Same on the other side, on the other hand. Yeah, so you can see how many articulations going on this shoulder. Nice. So there's like a ball joint on the hands and the head. Oh, you can move this one. Okay, I can do 360. No, yes, no, yes, yes. Okay. Okay, oh, also 360 here. Interesting. And it's also ratchet. Okay, how wide you can split. So it's pretty cool. I think because he's transformed to a bird, so there's need a lot of articulations going on here. So really nice diecast there. Also in the knee joint. Yeah. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 folds you can do. Nice, pretty cool. Absolutely cool. Amazing. Yeah, there you go. And here on their feet part. So okay, side by side. Nice, you can see, man, right? Amazing. All right, cool. Oh. And the claw, no, you cannot move it, just like that only. Okay. Okay, let's continue playing. Okay, hold on. I think I like this one. How you can do this, right? And then you can do it like this, robot. Okay, can I just measure this one and do some weight? How high and how heavy is this one? Okay, so we got some 8 inches or almost 7.5 or 7.75 inches high. Nice, really cool. This one just how wide? So around 6 inches. Okay, let's see how heavy is this one. Oh, this guy's pretty heavy. Okay, let's transform to black wings.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't.
Okay, next let's build the stage or the display stand so we can display it, and to show you how to display it in robot mode. Let's go.
This way, I really hope that you will choose to stay through all.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you.
Okay, here we go. We got the complete parts of the display stand, or what they usually call also the stage. So we got the two nameplates here, as you can see. We got the GX-94 and we got the Pinoy Dancouga. If you combine it with the GX13R, so yeah, you can use this one, but we still don't have it, so let's use this one. Okay, let's transform this mighty robot to mighty machine, like a bird. Okay, let's do this.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get